Here is how you can block unknown numbers on Android using the WhatsApp. So let me guide you through it. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, we need to find the WhatsApp application like this. And I'm inside. I can see my chats and everything is in here. So all I have to do is to proceed to the settings by tapping the three dots like this and going to settings like that, and we are essentially interested in these options, so I have to go and find the privacy section. So the privacy is right there, literally the second thing on the list, and part of this we can go to the calls section, which is a little bit below, but I can tap on the calls like this, and there is a option which is called silence unknown callers, and you probably want to keep it turned on because calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, meaning that they will still be shown in the calls tab, but or perhaps in your notifications, but it's not actually going to ring or interrupt you, right? So you will always have the ability to go in here, go to the calls and see them listed in here. You'll see that some numbers have called you, but it's not like it's actually going to ring on the device. So that's what a lot of people do. But speaking of the privacy and the settings, if I come back in here, you're going to notice that we also have some blocking features in place, because you can see that we can tap on, for example, the contacts and see the blocked contacts, right? So you can see them right there, or also add some people to the list, right? So that is a nice way to block someone or some number which you specifically don't want to receive calls from. So that is another option which we have available. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.